Hello friends, here welcome back to my channel, Erica Beauty. If it's your first time visiting my channel, please don't forget to give me your thumbs up, like, share and comment on this video. Okay? So today I'm going to bring us, we are going to crochet our attachment so I want to start the crocheting today, and I want us to learn how to crochet. This is it. I want us to learn how to crochet. I'll just simply take some portion from the short. I'm going to start from the back, so I'll simply collect the short portion that will be at the back side of the trace. So we are going to do our crocheting. We are going to do our crocheting. This is the dummy hair. The dummy hair we are going to use. We are going to make use of this dummy hair. I ordered this dummy hair from Shopee. I think it's kind of cheap, but the arriving date is not original, so I always make order from Shopee whenever I'm ordering for my hair accessories. I make use of Shopee. I ordered from Shopee. So I'm going to make use of this dummy hair. It looks so much like human hair. So we are going to use this dummy hair. Then another thing we'll be needing is our net, our wig net. This is very important in wig making. They have different types of nets. It depends. They have the one without closure, the ones with closure, and they have kind of cap texture. I brought it from Nigeria. I brought this from Nigeria. I like making use of this net because of this space, and it will be easier for you to do your crocheting whenever you want to crochet your. I like making use of it in my wig making. Yeah, we'll go ahead and wear it on our dummy hair. We'll go ahead and put it on our dummy hair. This dummy, keep your hair. So if you have pin, you pin it down. If you don't have pin, for now I will simply hook it here so it will not be shaking or removing when I'm crocheting the hair, because there is no pin here. So another thing we'll be needing is our crochet pin. I made this order from Shopee also. I ordered this from Shopee and I saw it. I like it so much. It looks like it will last like the other one I was using. That is kind of sticky and it will just break, but this kind of iron foam. It has 3 pins inside. It has 3 pins. This is where it fits the pin. It has 3 pins inside of it. You can see it. So you want any pin, I'm going to make you just use of 1 pin. So then I'll keep the rest. I think it's of different sizes. since it's different sizes. It has different sizes. One, this is smallest, this is smaller, this is bigger, this is medium. Just 3-in-1 crochet pin. So I will make use of the bigger one for this crocheting, and keeping the remaining 2 back to where it's supposed to be. Then I will go ahead and fix the one I want to make use of, which is the bigger pin that I selected. I'm making use of it. So we'll go ahead and fix it. Just pass it through here. What is it like? Yeah, we'll fix it in the center. You see there are 3 holes, kind of holes here. So I just open it up, then I'll pass it through this out. I'll fix it here inside that hole and tighten it back, making sure it's well tight. Yeah, so our pin is ready to use. I ordered this from Shopee also. Yeah, we order from Shopee. So we'll go ahead and start crocheting. Here is some of the twisted attachments. We'll start from the back. Start from the back and start twisting. I'll go ahead and turn the teddies back so you'll see what I'm doing. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. I'll bring it closer so you understand what I'm doing. Then you pick one of your twisted braid, pass your pin into 2 or 3 holes, put it, make sure it's closed. If it's not closed, it will not pass back. Yeah, if it's not closed, it will not pass. So this is what we'll keep doing till we finish crocheting everything, and our wig will be ready. We'll be crocheting it one by one till the wig is ready. I think this is the most easiest part in wig making. So meal is better than the twisting part. This is the easiest part in wig making. It can take me 5 minutes and finish it in a day, but because of I started late, I don't think I'm going to finish it today. So I think it will finish tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to finish it today because I didn't start on time. Yeah, friends, will keep crocheting. I think I'll soon stop because I have other things to attend to. I'll call it a day. So keep crocheting. I like twisting before putting it on my net because it makes my work so easy, and the net also will not have a tore or have any kind of damage. So I prefer twisting it before crocheting. Some people they prefer crocheting and twisting at once. Yeah. So friends, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Okay, give me your thumbs up, share and comment on this video. Let me know if it's helpful, if you need any services, and secondly, let me know what you think about this having a handwork. Though we still have a lot to do, we are just trying. This is where the main work is. This is where the main work is. This side of the one wig. So this is where we need to be careful. No space, no space. When we fill this place, we need to cover the back. Okay, so make sure you follow every step. I believe by now we all can make our own wig, do it yourself wig. By next week I'll show you people, by next week Friday I'll show you people the finishing of this wig. Yeah, I always upload new videos every Friday. Come to my channel, be the first to be alert on your notification bell, so whenever I upload videos, you'll be the first person to be notified that Erica's Beauty Touch have uploaded a new video. Please don't hesitate to watch. Immediately thumbs up, like, share, and give me your comment. If there is any video you would like to see on my channel, please let me know. To my old subscribers, I really appreciate you people. Thank you, my lovely subscribers. You all are the best. I appreciate all of you for your great support. You all are the best. You support me greatly. You made me to believe in myself that I can do things I don't believe I can do. But I never knew that I would go thus far on this my channel. But with your great support, I'm always encouraged to do more. I appreciate you all, my subscribers. I never take your support for granted. I appreciate you. If you've not commented on my, if you've not subscribed on this channel, you are missing a lot, I must tell you. If you've not subscribed, if you've not thumbs up on your bell, so that you will be notified when I upload my new video. Okay, so you can see my beautiful beautiful dummy. He's saying hey, thank you also to all the subscribers on this channel, Erica's Beauty Touch. Really appreciate you all. I appreciate all of you. Baby Kayla's TV, Baby Kayla's Kitchen, Blessed Case in the Car channel. I appreciate all of you, my subscribers. I appreciate the Igbo YouTubers. I appreciate everyone. I also appreciate all the winners group. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for your great support. By next week Friday, I promise we are going to see the finishing of this week, and I bet you will like it. You will enjoy it. The final look will be mwah. So if there is any video you want me to make for you, don't hesitate to tell me so that I can upload it to my channel. Okay, with my channel you see mostly lifestyles, hair, beauties, and the rest. Okay, so just try and comment. If there is any correction you would like to give to me, you can also inbox me. Okay, in my IG, Erica's Beauty Touch. Follow me on Facebook page, Erica's Beauty Touch. Follow me on my Instagram, Erica's Beauty Touch. Follow me on IG, Erica's Beauty Touch. Subscribe to Erica's Beauty Touch. It's all about beauty. It's all about your touch. It's all about your lifestyle. It's all about your health. It's all about your business. It's all about fashion, presentation, it's all about adverts, anything you want us to do for you. We are available at Erica's Beauty. So thank you all of you for your great support.